What is going on, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how you can code a clock in Python. So this is how much code you're gonna create. So it's this much. It's quite little if you ask me, but here is how the clock will look when it's actually created. So this is the code. Let's run the clock. And here's your clock. So it's showing the hours, minutes, seconds, and PM, as in like date or like the time zone, like the time it is, morning or evening. So how do we create this? Create your new file and begin coding. First thing is import Tkinter. So from Tkinter, import all, and next from, do the same thing but Tkinter.ttk, import all, and next thing you guys want to do is import time. So from time, you're going to import strf time. Now that you've imported everything you need to import, let's create the screen. So you create the screen by typing in root is equal to t with a capital T, and then tk, and next you give it a title. So root is equal to, now we're gonna call it clock. Now after you've given your root a title, we're going to create a label for the clock, which is just going to be like the clock itself. So you type in label is equal to label with the capital L, root, type in, you open parenthesis, type in root, comma, font is equal to, now here you type in the font. So I'm going to be using Helvetica for this, or you guys can use any other font. There is Consolas, Helvetica, Times New Roman, so many other fonts. So let's use Helvetica for this. So you type in Helvetica, spelled like that, and then before you close you type in the size. So it's gonna be huge, it's gonna be 80, and then you close the parenthesis, and then let's set our background color. Now our background color will be black, but you guys can set it to whatever you want it to be. So we're just gonna type in black. And lastly, our foreground color is gonna be cyan. In fact, let me use red. So after this, we're gonna pack it. So we're gonna position it by just packing it. Label.pack is positioning it in the screen. It's gonna be action. It's gonna be anchored to the center. So just gonna say anchor is equal to center. Then next thing is we're gonna define the time. So what our literal function which we're gonna use for the whole thing. So you just create a function called time, and this is how you create it. So this, and you assign this time. So you're gonna say string, okay, is equal to strf time. Now that you've assigned that time, you're gonna put in cap, you're gonna put in parenthesis, and then speak quotations, and then you're gonna say percentage sign. This is gonna be how the time is. So it's gonna be hour, then that symbol, colon, and then you type in percentage sign minute colon percentage sign, and we're gonna put seconds. Keep a space, don't put a colon, and then you're gonna put percentage sign small p close parenthesis close speech quotations and then close parenthesis. Then you're going to label, you're going to configure your label. So label.config, you're going to say label.config text is equal to string. So you say text is equal to string, close. And lastly, you're gonna say label dot after. So you type in label dot after, and then you're gonna type in 1000 comma space time close parenthesis. Now we will call our function. We'll call our function right under here. So we'll say time. Now we'll just call a main loop, and you're done. So save your file. I'll save mine as tutorial. Save, run. We have an error, so let's read. No attribute tk, object str has no attribute tk. So what line is this? Line 2292 in Tkinter module. Okay, so it's a small problem we've made in our code. Let's go back and fix that. So let's see where the problem is. So after some time of searching, guys, I realized where the problem was, and we didn't add root.title here, so it gave us an error because of that. Run the program and you guys will get your working clock. As you can see, it's telling us it's 8:43, 25 seconds past 43 actually, and in PM. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, make sure you guys drop a like. If you guys really enjoyed this tutorial, make sure you guys subscribe. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Peace out, guys.